Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use any network related apps like a Google Play Store or a Google Chrome on your TCL 408. And first let's try to download something from a Google Play Store, and we have this try again error. Next is a Google Chrome, and if we try to reach a new website or refresh already opened one, we have this problem. And to fix both of them, we'll need to access our settings, then scroll all the way down for the system. Here enter date and time and enable automatic date and time. If you go back to your browser and try to refresh a page, it works fine now. And the same is with Google Play Store. We can try to download something and it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.